Good morning, students. See here. Today I will teach you standard 7 lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. Okay, take out your textbooks. See here, our first lesson we will not completed. See here, then first we teach multiplication and division of integers, lesson second, and after that I teach first lesson. Okay, then see here, page number 11. Okay, then see multiplication and division of integers. First, can you tell me what is mean by integers? Last year we learned this concept. Can you remember what is mean by integers? Okay, see here, positive numbers 0 and negative numbers. Positive numbers 0 and negative numbers together form a group, and that group is called integers. That group is called integers. Okay, see here, positive numbers 0 and negative numbers, all these together called integers. Okay, then see here, last year we solve addition and subtraction of the integers. Okay, you learn addition and subtraction of integers. And see here, today we study multiplication and division. Okay, then see here, page number 11. First, for your revision, some examples addition and subtraction are given here. Okay, then see here, first example here, 5 plus 7. Can you tell answer of this? Very simple. See here, 5 plus 7. 7 and 5 is 12. Okay. Then see second example, 10 plus minus 5. See here, 10 is positive number and 5 is negative number. Okay, 10 is positive number and 5 is negative number. If one positive number and one negative number here, that's why you subtract this number. Subtract small number from big number. Okay, then 10 minus 5 is 5, and give the sign of big number. Here big number is positive, that's why 5 is positive as it is. Okay, then third, minus 4 plus 3. Here 4 is negative number and 3 is positive number, that's why you subtract this number. 4 minus 3 is 1, and give the sign of the big number. Okay, here big number is 4 and 4 is negative, that's why minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer of this. Okay, then next, minus 7 plus minus 2. When two negative numbers addition here given, see here, minus 7 minus 2, then you done 7 plus 2. First we add these numbers. Okay, 7 and 2, 9. 7 and 2, 9, and give minus sign to this answer, minus 9. Fifth example, 8 minus plus 3. Okay, 8 minus plus 3. See here, 8 minus plus 3 means 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then next, sixth example. Eight minus 3. Then here 8 minus 3. Minus is plus. Therefore 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay. These are the division. Okay. Addition and subtraction of the integers. Okay. Now we discuss about multiplication of integers. Next, multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Open page number 12 and see here one table is given for you. We solve this table. Okay. See here minus 6 multiplied minus 3. First example. Minus 6 multiplied minus 3. See here in the multiplication minus and minus side will be plus. I repeat, see, listen carefully. In the multiplication minus and minus will be plus. Then see here 6 first you multiply these numbers. 6 multiply 3. Okay. 6 3s are 18, and in multiplication minus is plus 18. You write like this or write only 18 also. This also correct. Okay. Minus 6 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 18. Then second example. Minus 4 multiply 0. Minus 4 multiply 0. If we multiply any number with 0, then the answer is 0. Answer is 0. Minus 6 multiply 2. Here minus 6 multiply 2. One is positive number and one is negative number. Minus 6 is a negative number and 2 is a positive number. Okay. Then one negative number and one positive number in multiplication, there will be answer in negative. Okay. One positive number multiply one negative number is equal to negative number is here. Then multiply 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12 and give the minus sign, because one negative number multiply one positive number, then the answer will be negative number. Okay. Then fourth example. Suppose 7 multiply minus 5. 7 multiply minus 5. Here 7 is the positive number or positive integer and minus 5 is a negative integer. Okay. Positive integer and negative integer. See here, first we multiply number 7 by 5. Okay. 7 5s are right 35. And plus and minus is minus. Minus 35 is the answer of this multiplication. Okay. Then see here, In multiplication, you remember some rules. Okay. See here. First, positive, positive. In multiplication. In multiplication, positive, positive numbers will be positive. Okay. Then second, negative, negative. So if one integer is negative and second integer also negative, then the answer will be positive number. Okay. Then third, if first integer is positive and second integer will be negative, then the answer will be negative. Okay. Then fourth, negative and positive. Negative and positive, get the answer negative. If we remember these four rules, then very easy to solve these examples, multiplication examples. Okay. You remember these four rules for the multiplication. Okay. And here for multiplication, you know, you learn by heart the tables. Your table will be by heart. Then see, after that the practice set is given here. You solve this practice set in your notebooks. Okay. Then next point. Next point, division of integers. Division of integers. Here multiplication are very easy, but division not so easy like this. Okay. So listen carefully. We solve practice set 9. Okay. Division examples. See here, first example, minus 96 divide 16. Minus 96 divide 16. Here, first integer is negative and second integer is positive. Negative and positive integer here. See here. First we write the example, 96 divide 16. Okay. Then see here, first we separate this negative sign from this division. Okay. Then see here, we different this minus sign separately. We take minus 1, then (96) divide 16 here. See here, only here minus sign is different from this integer. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने, सिर्फ माइनस साइन सेपरेट किया है इस डिवीजन से. ओके. फर्स्ट वी टेक माइनस साइन -1. ओके, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ -1. देन डू द डिवीजन. -1. Do the division. 96 divided by 16. What is the answer? 16 6 are 96. Okay. 16 ones are 16. 16 6 are 96. Therefore, answer is 6. Then here, -1 multiplies 6. -1 multiplies 6 is 6 ones are 6, and this negative sign minus. See here, first we separate this minus sign from this example only in the form of -1. only minus sign is separated. This example as it is here, 96 divided by 16. Then here 96 divided by 16 is equal to 6. 16 6 are 96. Then minus 1 multiply 6 is minus 6. Understood? Okay. Take second example. Second example, 98 divided minus 28. 98 divided by minus 28. Here 98 is a positive integer and 28 is a negative integer. See here, first we write the as it is example. Okay. divided by minus 28. Then see here, first we separate this negative sign from this division. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 is separated from this division, and here 1. Not minus 1, 1. 28. Okay. Only I take minus sign separately. Then see. Here 1 multiply 98. Here is the positive. This is the positive integer. So we take 1. And here negative number. That's why we take here minus 1. Okay. Then see here 1 minus 1. Multiply. See here 98 divided by 28. Then search 98 and 28 is present in which table? These two numbers are present in which table for division? You know, that's why you learn the tables. Okay, see here 98 and 28 is 14 into 2, 28. Okay, 14 into 2, 28. And 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98 and 14 twos are 28. Then see here 14 divided by 14, 7, 2. Okay, 7, 2. That is equal to 1 upon minus 1 multiply. See here 14, cut this 14. Okay, that's why 1 here, and 7 upon 2. Then see here 1 upon minus 1 is minus 1. Multiply 1 into 7, 2 is equal to 7 upon 2, that is negative, minus 7 upon 2, minus 7 upon 2. See here, we take first minus sign separate from this number, then check these two numbers present in which table. That's why we write this 14 into 7 and 14 into 2. That's why 14 cut. Therefore 7 upon 2 is remaining. Then minus 1 into 7 upon 2 is equal to minus 7 upon 2. Okay. Then take one more example for your understanding. Last example we will take minus 5 divided by minus 315. Here minus 5 divided by minus 315. Minus 315. Okay. Then here first we take the minus sign separately. Okay. 5 or minus 315. Then here separate minus sign from this division. Minus 1 minus 1. Then remaining here 5 and here 315. Okay. First we take only minus sign separately and then 5 upon 315. Okay. Then see here. Five into 1. 5 ones are 5. And see here 315. 5 into 63. 5 multiply 63 is equal to 315. Therefore we write here 5 into 63. Then here minus 1 upon minus 1 multiply 5 upon 5 1 upon 63. Only we write 5 upon 5 and 1 upon 63. Therefore here 5 is cut for this 5. Okay. Then remaining here minus 1 upon minus 1. Minus minus is plus 1. Minus minus is plus into 63. Therefore 1 into 1 upon 63 is equal to 1 upon 63. Here 1 is positive, therefore the answer is positive integer. Okay. This is the answer. See here, first we take minus 1 sign separately. The division is as it is. Okay. Then we multiply this 5 into 1 and 5 into 63. 5 into 63 means 315. 315. Okay. Then here minus 1 upon minus 1 into 5 upon 5 and 1 upon 63. 5 is cut this 5. Okay. Therefore 1 into minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to 1 into 1 upon 63 is remaining. Therefore 1 upon 63 is the answer. Understood this? Okay. See you next. See your textbook, page number 14, question 2. Write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. I repeat again, see, listen. Write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है 24 upon 5. Fractional form of each. मतलब कि हमें 3 ऐसे इंटीजर्स, डिवीजन के इंटीजर्स यहाँ सर्च करने हैं जिनका आंसर कितना आएगा 24 upon 5. वहाँ पे हम कौन से भी इंटीजर्स ले सकते हैं जिनका डिवीजन करके लास्ट आंसर कितना आना चाहिए 24 upon 5. ओके. देन सी हियर first. minus 72 divided by minus 15. Minus 72 divided by minus 15. See here, what is the answer here? You do this division also, okay? See here, minus 72 divided minus 15 is equal to, see here, first we write like this, minus 15, okay? Then separate the minus sign, minus 1, minus 1, 72 upon 15, okay? 72 upon 15. Then see here, we check these two numbers are present in which table? 72 and 15. 72 and 15 are present in which table? Into 24 is equal to 72. 3 multiply 24, okay, and 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 and 3 24s are 72, okay. You also cut this by division method. See here, 5 3s are 15. Then here 5 1s are 5. 2 is remaining, okay. 2 is sorry, see here, 5 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining and 2 12. Then 3 4s are 12. Then we write here 3 into 24 and 3 multiply 5. Okay. Then here minus 1 and minus 1 is plus 1. 3 upon 3, 24 upon 5 is equal to, cut this, then 24 upon 5 is remaining, okay, is equal to 24 upon 5. See here, what is the answer? 24 upon 5. Therefore, this is the first pair. This is the first pair of division, whose answer is 24 upon 5. Like this, you search other two pairs. Okay, other two pairs. Here in question, 3 pairs are 3 division of integers चाहिए हमें, वो 3, उसमें से ये एक पेयर मिल गई है, दूसरे 2 पेयर आपको सर्च करने हैं. ओके, like this, third question is same as it is. Okay, see here, write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be -5 divided by 7. Same as it is. यहाँ पे हमने 24/7 के लिए ये पेयर सर्च किए, वैसे ही थर्ड क्वेश्चन में आपको -5 डिवाइड बाय 7 के लिए पेयर्स 3 पेयर्स सर्च करने. ओके, these are here some examples solve here and remaining examples we solve in notebook as a homework. Okay, complete this homework. Practice set 8 and 9. Practice set 8 and 9 complete in your notebook. Okay, as a homework. Okay, thank you.